Idiya Darien Plus is your gateway to living and travelling in luxury. Whether you intend to use it as a second home or take it on an off-roading adventure, the Darien Plus has everything you'll need to do so in comfort. Let's go check it out. The outdoor slide-out kitchen is made from a food-grade 304 stainless steel. It also has 4 gas burners and a sink with access to hot and cold water. Heading inside, the main door features a separate fly screen, so you can keep things cool during the warmer months but also pest-free. There is also a fire extinguisher right by the exit. The Darien Plus has been designed with a generous amount of living space and comfort as its focus. There is a separate shower room with a stainless steel hand shower set, sink and cupboard, and overhead ventilation. There is an adjoining separate lavatory featuring a Thetford toilet and overhead ventilation. Here we have the dining area, which also converts to an extra berth. There is a window right by the table with a pull-down fly screen and a pull-up blind for privacy. The indoor kitchen has a range hood, a 2 gas burner stovetop and a pop-up sink. The kitchen also comes with a large cupboard or pantry. Here we have the main sleeping space, which, as you can see, has loads of overhead clearance and plenty of storage options. Underneath the bed, you'll also find extra storage room. There are 2 independent LED reading lights, as well as 3 overhead touch lights. The dining table easily converts into another berth, like so. Stored safely underneath the seat, you'll find the batteries. The Idiya Darien Plus has been built to withstand the elements. It features a 1-piece galvanized steel chassis with a check plate finish. It has a 2-layer aluminium composite panel with an insulation sandwich, as well as a steel square-tubed A-frame underneath it. Mounted on the roof is a 12-volt 200-watt solar panel. It features off-road tyres with aluminium alloy rims, as well as all 4 wheels having independent suspension with dual shock absorbers. Also located at the front is the winch, which allows you to raise and lower the towage platform. If you need to use appliances outside, there's an external power point. At the rear of the Darien, you'll find the garage. Here we have a huge pull-down towage platform made of a high-grade steel, so, as you can see, super sturdy, ideal for towing your bikes, quad bikes and jet skis. You'll also find the ladder here, which gives you access to the roof, ideal for storing canoes and kayaks. And for any items stored on the roof, you can use these sidebars here as tie-down points.